When the week began, I had every intention of diving into some new creative projects that I've had in the back of my mind for a long time. But when the sun finally decided to come out, I found it incredibly difficult focusing on anything but being outside. And though I barely checked anything off from my to-do list this week, I have no regrets. Because when these warm summer days come around up here, it's best to always take advantage of them, because they'll be gone before I know it.